natin sa fishing wood. Diba?
Bare hands. Rice.
Yes, Rice Company's main office before. Everyone.
Walking. Overtake. Nobody.
Yes. So cool. -5 kaya mag-ice cream kami. Tikman natin ang beer ng Sapporo.
Jaime, pasok mo nga ng konti. Yan. Fine.
Nakalimutan nga yun. Ayun, marami to. Dala natin ito, haba ng nila. Ang ilang ulan ng snow.
A little over the top, but I touch this. Touch this. This snow is powder.
Kikita dito ang ating tsokolate de Baterol. Look, dahil kita everything snow. Kami lang ang buwabang lakad.
Bakit yung nakikita ko lang na page 4? Nakatupis sa snow.
Magtupis ka din.
Paano pa ako magtutupis?
Future Olympian.
Are you gonna do that, right?
Ito.
With us?
Si Nanay walkathon yan.
Oh my God, bilisan niyo.
Si Tatay na highway. Si Deson, si Nanay may eating lesson. Doon sa edge. Turn, baby boy. Turn, turn.
Oh, that the snow is really. Let's turn. Move. Tatay, are you rest?
Yan, goodbye na Seiko. See you next week. Para makonquer natin yung mountain na yun. Pa-practice ako sa lipa. Okay. Time to leave. We're checking out.
I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go to school. School just makes the kids think in a certain way. No, not like that way.
Waiting. Bago umuwi, gusto mo ng ramen.